The Welsh Newspapers website is your doorway to the past, where history comes alive. Search over 15 million articles from Welsh and English newspaper pages between 1804 and 1919 for free. Among the articles are wedding accounts and obituaries, community, national and international stories, as well as various advertisements and columns. Go to the main page to start your search. You can search the website and then filter your results in several ways: by newspaper title, language of publication, date, or nature of article or content. You can also browse each newspaper individually and learn more about their history and circulation. In addition, you may search the newspapers by region. Once you have selected an article from the results list, you can read it in the newspaper as it would have appeared on the day. For further assistance with your search, visit our help page. This is an indispensable resource for anyone interested in the contemporary history of Wales, local history or their family history. So visit the website and discover for yourself.